Oh guys, I'm Lawnmower 17 here. We got Tuesday. It's a snow day for us. No school today. Got about 6 inches of snow in less than 6 hours. So, all the trees are still covered in ice. And I just made this video earlier, and I forgot the freaking record button wasn't on. So I'm making a video, and here, oh, it's not recording. So here we gotta do this all over again. So. Yeah, you can remember that video I just put up of the truck, um, putting the lawnmower up. You can remember it was like really warm out, grass everywhere. Now I'll give you a look out here. Snow everywhere. It's back to the way it was. I mean, we had the driveways melted and everything. Now look at these big snow piles everywhere. Man, show you a truck all covered in snow. Them trees back there are really pretty. How you like that for a good snapshot picture? So yeah, look at that. A lot of snow on the hood. And then you got a bunch of glaciers forming. And then if you look on this other truck, it's buried just about the same. Now, you've never seen this truck before. This one's the GMC. Never made a video of it. It's a 4-door and it's 4-wheel drive. And that's a GMC, I said. This is a Chevy, still made by General Motors. This one's a 2000. Year is a 2000. And this blue one is a 94. I accidentally put 95 in the YouTube video. And we just plowed about all this snow with the with the 4-wheeler. Didn't use the Speed X, you can tell. It's just been backed in there still. Gonna make a path to my shed. But all the trees are covered in ice. You can tell by just looking. Nice and icy. Look at that. And then if you shake it, how you like that sound? Camper windows covered in ice. So yeah, my Speed X back there. We'll go for a little walk. We got paths everywhere. The kitty's following me. Oh, you rolling around. Yeah, but a lot of snow. Boy, them trees way back there are covered in some white stuff. A lot of snow. All these other trees aren't covered in it. That's weird. All them trees are covered in that white snow. You can see it everywhere. And none of them other trees are. I wonder what happened there. The wind must have blew everywhere. But if you get a good view at these pine trees here, it is pretty. It's a nice picture. And on top of it, they had ice on them first. Now they all have snow, so that's why they're weighted down even more. So, yep, there's snowed it in about 6 inches or so. Maybe a little more than that. I'm not sure. Well, I thought I'd just show you not really an update video, but I'll name it something like all this snow or something like that. A lot of snow. So, yeah. This is probably the fastest we've had a lot of snow in this winter, because it really came down quick. So, that's my update, and hope you enjoyed it. I said update, it's not my update, but little video of what it looks like around here.